Are you like many gamers and you suffer from too much crapitis? Well, let's show you what we can do to help resolve that issue using just a few items from the Dollar Tree. Stay tuned. Okay, here's what you're going to need. These little removable hook thingies, the wannabe 3M ones. You can grab the 3M ones if you want, but I'm trying to let you know that you can make everything here with what's exactly at the Dollar Tree. So they have these generic ones. They're okay, just be cautious because I have seen them stick to a surface too good, or if you exceed the weight limit, see them pull off a little bit of drywall when they come off too. So if you're renting a place, or maybe it's frowned upon that you wreck the drywall, unless your name is Kyle, just be careful of where you stick this and make sure you watch the weight limit. I think this says 3 pounds. And they get your little wire basket, see right here. And then there's a third item that's not on camera because it's in the already complete game rack, but it's gonna be this right here, the little wire board or whatever the hell that's supposed to be. But yeah, just those 3 things and it'll help you make something cool. So let's show you the finished product. All right. So here's the finished result using just those 3 items. Here's the little wire rack board, I guess is what you want to call it. And then these little baskets fit on there too. So when I first saw this in the Dollar Tree a few weeks ago, I was like, you know what? You can make a pretty cool organizer. And because I acquired more systems and space is getting more limited, I decided why not have my controllers be, over here instead of taking up valuable space for, games, accessories, chargers, and the other crap that I have in the little cubicles. But yeah, so far so good. I did put another one in the center that I think that holds 3 pounds as well. You do want to be careful. I do live in a very dry climate, and after a while, the little sticky stuff doesn't stick so well. And, having that crash down at 2:30 or, 4 in the morning, it's a sure way to, wake you up the wrong way. But all in all, like I said, right now, I just got this part today, this little flat top part. Usually I don't have a controller on it. Usually I put, at the end of the night, I'll put my TV controller up there. And then this one was a little bit lopsided, so easy fix. Just add a zip tie, and it usually will make it, straighten out a tad. And I did a few over here as well, because I don't know if it's the way that it's laying or what, but some of these baskets would tip forward or tip backwards a little bit. And I really don't want my controllers falling out because that kind of defeats the purpose of the basket. But what's really cool is if you can find it, because these are going quick for some reason, you can get multiple, little wire boards to go off of. And if I had more room on my bookshelf, I'd be able to really add quite a few sections and just really have every controller on here. So I thought that was pretty cool. It's $1.25 per item because thanks to a lot of inflation. So when you do go to $1.25 Tree, it's going to be, this is separate than this. They're all, individual pieces. But it was a cool little project to work on. It does allow some space saving and, killed some boredom. So give it a shot if you want. If not, cool. But yeah, it's a little cool DIY project, and you can jazz it up how you want. You can move the little baskets around. That's what's really cool. And yeah, I just thought it'd be something, in case you need the space like I do, it'd be a little nice project for you to work on. Hope you enjoy. Bye.